FitLab PGH is a podcast about movement. We believe movement should be a lifestyle and not just an activity, but we also recognize the importance of recovery. We do movement tip and lifestyle hack videos 3 times a week, and way back in May of 2018, I talked about a free app called the Elite HRV app for measuring heart rate variability. I talked about using a chest strap with it, and Elite HRV has come out with a finger sensor. Elite HRV has some great information on their website if you want to go more than just the score that the app gives you, and it's a phenomenal way to determine whether or not you're ready for a hard workout the next day or if you need to take it easier. So if you're curious about measuring your HRV to determine the quality of your recovery, check out the Elite HRV app. If you've got a chest strap, try it out. If you do it on a regular basis, I've purchased the Core Sense, and I think it does a great job and is another tool to help me keep on moving.